The next portion of our hard wiring of our power adapter and two box system is to take our outputs out of our power adapter that will go to each of the three lamps of our LHA number 1. So we will complete first of all L1-1 we're going to use blue to distinguish it, and it will go to LH1A LHA1, excuse me, and it will go to LX1-1 that is designated as the first lamp of the LHA1 box. We're going to skip over R1, which is a return, and we will do the second lamp, which will be L1-2 in the power adapter, which will run to LHA1, the second lamp, LX2. Incidentally, these wires will be carrying 6.6 amps maximum. Next, we will do our last lamp going to LHA1, which will be L1-3. L1-3 will go to LHA1, and in this instance, all the way to the end to the third lamp, which is LX3. Now you have all three lamps that will be powered, LX1, LX2, LX3, from your power adapter, L1-1, L1-2, L1-3. Each one will have approximately 6.6 amps of current that will run to each light housing. Next, to differentiate our return line that will be coming from our LHA1 boxes, all three, which means it will have a return current on this white wire of approximately 20 amps. Let's start with the return that will come out of our power adapter. We're going to hook it in to R1, which is our return line coming from the boxes, and in this case, the box designation, when you look at it, there are three returns. All three are jumpered together because we're simply using one wire for the return of all three lamps. This we'll just put in the center return because all three are jumpered and are common. We now have completed our first box, LHA1 power to our lamps using from our power adapter L1-1, L1-2, L1-3, going respectively to our LHA1 lamp hot inputs LX1, LX2, and LX3. We then used one wire for all three returns, going from our center return, because they're all jumpered common, and it will return to R1. That is the return on our power adapter.